Hi everybody, this is Christina. I just want to do a lather test on my new Provence Dream soap. Okay, so I just took a little piece, little slice, and we'll see how it lathers. I just made this like a couple days ago. So here it is. Just a lot of bubbles, nice and creamy, and nice soft bubbles. Okay? Yay! So I'm really happy with this. It's just wonderful. See all the bubbles in there? Like crazy. So there they are. Really happy with it. Smells really good. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.